At Owens Corning, we know that small problems such as bird's nests from splicing can cause mega issues that negatively impact production efficiency and part quality. Introducing MEGADOFF, a 450-pound doff that is 10 times larger than our standard 42-pound doff. This new doff solution can reduce splices from more than 40 doff transitions to 0 in a standard pallet. Doff-to-doff splices can hinder production by creating fiber bundling and bird's nest and negatively impacting part quality. This elimination of doff-to-doff splices is particularly valuable in automated processes where minor disruptions to your automated flow can cause additional cost and lowered part quality. Overall, fewer splices means more continuous flow on your automated lines, improved part quality, and increased throughput. Join us in making the composites industry more efficient with MEGADOFF, a simple yet mega way to increase your productivity using Owens Corning's multi-end rovings.